September 17th. This will be the third hunt of my season. Getting off in here in a spot where I tried to get in opening day, and the parking lot was, I don't know if it was totally full because I didn't pull down in here, but there was someone already parked by the road, and there's two other places, and they had stuff jammed up. So I came in and a different way and walked across the street and came in through a cut and saw some deer. But I really wanted to get back here where I put in some cameras back in June. But if you know me, you know I don't hunt cameras, and that's not my plan. They're SD cameras, but I just put those cameras where I seen some sign last year. So I just kind of wanted to gather up the intel and go get over there and check them out. So we're here pretty early, about an hour and a half before first light. So we're going to go ahead and get our stuff and get back in there and have a sit and just a little sit. And when the light comes up and after a little while, if nothing's happening right there, we're going to go ahead and move on deeper in to where I have these cameras and at least collect them and then put in a little weight there, see what kind of signs around, maybe get to the other one, which is even further in, and then who knows, maybe even go further because I took today off of work. This area is now allowing you to be in here on Wednesdays instead of just the weekend, every other weekend thing. So that's good. And then I'm going to be throwing in some boat hunts out here again and get the old Johnny fired up. The old Merc 15. John Boat Nation, baby. Well, stay tuned. Something happens, I'll bring you. Let's go. We've been in here for about 45 minutes. Watch the sun come up. Deer everywhere. You can hear them moving. Won't be long. We got a field. There's a field to our north. I mean, east. Wind's coming this way. There's a hill right here. Everything's kind of funneling down, going that way. Stay tuned. You don't know what's going to happen around here. Well, just like in Florida fashion, let's see if you can see this. The projected wind 2 minutes, the wind started drifting that way. And I just got winded by what sounded like a big deer. And as soon as he get done blowing, wind's coming back in my face. Well, that don't mean it's over. That just means I know he's here. Or it was a big doe, but either way, it was definitely a mature deer. Could hear it bouncing through the woods, and then the blow was deep, a deep blow. It's almost 7:45. Still got a long way to go. Hopefully the wind stays this way. I'm gonna make a move. Wind's hit me in the face. The deer keep crossing over there. I'm gonna move up that way. Right there's where the deer keep crossing. My wind went that way and bumped a deer. I'm gonna try to get over there. I'm gonna try to get over there behind that thicket. That way, when the wind comes, it'll blow that way. So, hopefully we'll get all this figured out, but I gotta make a move. I can't sit here like this knowing my wind is gonna put me in jeopardy. You don't know if you don't go. I gotta pack this stuff up real quick. It's not a lot. Just my backpack, my stool, and then I'm gonna move. Well, we made our move. I didn't go where I wanted, where I first stated I was gonna go. But I think I'm a little better for my wind. That's the tree over there that I was going to get behind. But now I'm over here in front of this fall down. Those deer have been coming through here. And they're probably coming down this lane or off the private. So hopefully this helps us out. We got our wind hitting us right in the face now. I haven't felt no crosswind, so we're gonna sit tight for like another hour, maybe hour and a half, till we figure out what we're gonna do and how we're gonna get there. But as of right now, we're gonna sit tight. You never know, it may play out. Keep telling myself I don't know. I'm not 100% sure. But that's hunting. You ain't never gonna be 100%. unless you're sitting over a corn pile in a box blind for days on end. But do you? I'm gonna do me. Stay tuned. Oh, scouting around in Florida. He's probably just a racer. But we ain't taking no chances. Gonna let him be and go on the other way. He don't have a head like a copperhead. I mean like a water moccasin. But he kinda fat. And he ain't moving. Heading in for this evening hunt. This morning, well, we had some action, but not too much action that made me want to stay. I went and out to a spot where I've had camera hung since June, and it was dead, so I don't know how much it missed, but got a bunch of does. So I set it up over some big old historical rubs that was probably laid down last season, so it's not a spot to cancel out, but it's not a spot that's probably not going to produce this time early season. Definitely get in there and check it out when it comes to more in the rut, cold weather type deal. And these does start going into heat. Heading back to a spot where I got another camera. Not to just go see what's up, go check it, see if it's alive. If it's alive, we'll see what's on it. If not, we'll find some sign and set up. Here we go. Alright, here's the setup. Here's the setup, guys. Girls, ladies and gents. We're down at the bottom. Swamp transition. We're at a land bridge. We got a land bridge right there. There's a rise over there. Swamp. Swamp. Pretty dried up right now. This bridge goes over. Goes out that way. We've been having a lot of activity coming like this. We're set up right here on the ground blind. Hidden behind sticks. Got the face paint on. You ain't really hunting unless you got face paint. Oh, check this out. Just had a... Must have scared him. It was a big old ringtail hawk. Anyway, like I was saying, if you ain't got face paint on, you ain't hunting. And I'm just kidding. Got most of my lanes picked out. 22 yards is the furthest. About 4 o'clock. Hopefully something's gonna come through. We got pictures and stuff on the camera that's about 40 yards that way. Watching that land bridge. I had to come up here. That way my wind would be right. If I was down there, it was swirling real bad. Blowing straight into where they're coming from. We got wind hitting it this way, and then we got wind going this way, which is just an off wind, so should work out pretty well. I'm hoping to see something before it sees me, and I'm gonna get down on my knees. Hopefully. Jeez. So we never know. We just have to be ready. Gonna gonna sit it out till dark. We got about 3 hours, maybe 4 hours. We'll see what happens. The first all-day hunt of the season for me. I wouldn't have left the woods, but at lunchtime I went back and sat in the truck, let my phone charge up. It's crazy how much we rely on these things. I could probably make it out of here without it, but why take that chance? Steel reels. Let's kill. Well, guys, I guess that's gonna wrap it up for tonight. I had one little 4-pointer come, probably 30 yards. He must have picked up my ground scent. He turned around. Last light's at 8:04. It's 7:50 now, so I'm gonna pack up and get out of here. Till next time.